timtex.com.
The mapping services within WorldMate Live turn it into the ultimate trip planning resource. Here's a trip I have upcoming to Seattle. Now again, all of these items were imported automatically with the WorldMate Live system. I'm not very familiar with the city, so I want to make sure that this itinerary is actually doable. For example, how early do I need to wake up to make this 8:30 breakfast? Also, I've only got 15 minutes between my work session with Sally and the press interview. Do I have enough time to make it to these meetings? So let's take a closer look. Now WorldMate Live is plotting all of my itinerary items in a map, so I can see the airports down here, I have meetings here and here. The hotel is right here. I can zoom in and see exactly where it is. And I can zoom out a little bit here and learn a little bit more about my trip. So for example, the breakfast with Jim number 5 is pretty close, so I don't have to wake up that early. But what about making it to the press interview from the work session with Sally? Well, this is the meeting Sally number 6. Let's see where that press interview is. Let me zoom out here just a little bit. There it is all the way out in Bellevue. So there's no way I'm going to be able to make it there in 15 minutes. I better call Sally to reschedule that meeting. Now, as I mentioned, all of these items were entered automatically, but the user can manually input meetings as well. For example, Barry called me up and wants to meet at 3:30. So let me enter that meeting. He mentioned the address was 1558 West 2nd Street, I believe, so let me check. See, it turns out there's no West 2nd Street. It's actually 2nd Avenue West. Thank goodness WorldMate Live told me, otherwise I could be driving aimlessly. So let me enter it here, and lo and behold, there's the meeting. Let's take a look on the itinerary to see where it fits with my overall schedule. Okay, perfect. So I've got that team lunch meeting number 8 here, and then on my way back to the hotel, which is down here, I'll stop by and meet with Barry. Perfect. So WorldMate Live has already saved me even before I left on my trip.